Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Gem pen is probably one of the most versatile and stylish writing instruments available today, offering a unique blend of aesthetic appeal and functional performance that can elevate your everyday writing experience. Whether you're a student taking notes, a professional signing important documents, or an artist sketching your next masterpiece, the Gem pen provides a smooth, consistent ink flow and a comfortable grip that makes writing a pleasure. Its exquisite design, often featuring precious or semi-precious stones, not only makes it a statement piece but also a durable and reliable tool for all your writing needs. Number 5. WEMATE 8 PCS Purple Crystal Diamond Metal Pens. Discover a set of 8 beautiful pens, each with a unique design to brighten your day. You'll have plenty of options to suit your mood and needs. Enjoy a comfortable writing experience that lasts for hours. The smooth ink flow ensures effortless note-taking without hand cramps. Crafted from quality metal, these pens offer a chic and elegant look. Their durable design is both pleasing to the eye and built to last. Write with confidence thanks to the quick-drying ink. The medium point provides precise lines, and the ink won't easily smudge. These stylish writing tools make a wonderful gift for any occasion. They are ideal for parties, offices, schools, and personal use. From journaling to special events, these pens are perfect for guests to sign. They add a touch of elegance wherever they are used. What we like? This set offers a variety of beautiful designs to suit your daily needs. If you appreciate having options and enjoy a comfortable, smooth writing experience with a touch of elegance, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who like to match their stationery to their mood or occasion. What people say. The pen has a comfortable grip and writes smoothly. The gem on top is a nice touch and adds a bit of sparkle. It's a great gift idea for someone who likes unique stationery. Number 4. Maydahui 12 PCS Diamond Retractable Ballpoint Pen. Introducing a set of 12 stunning retractable ballpoint pens. Each one is adorned with a beautiful diamond-like gem, adding a touch of elegance to your writing. This collection features 4 gorgeous colors: rose red, charming blue, dreamy purple, and rose gold. You'll receive 3 of each color, ensuring you always have the perfect shade. Designed for an enjoyable writing experience, these pens offer smooth, skip-free ink flow. The 0.7 mm fine point delivers clear, bold lines without fading. Crafted with a creative diamond style, these pens are not only beautiful but also comfortable to hold. Their ergonomic design makes writing a pleasure, even for extended periods. Looking for a special gift? These elegant pens make an ideal present for bridesmaids, co-workers, or anyone who appreciates a touch of luxury in their everyday items. From memo writing and signatures to calligraphy and sketching, these pens are perfect for a wide range of tasks. Their comfortable grip and convenient size make them a joy to use. What we like? You get a generous pack of 12 pens in 4 attractive colors, offering great value. If you're looking for a stylish pen with a fine tip for detailed writing or drawing and want to share with friends or co-workers, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for anyone who loves a bit of bling while staying practical. What people say. The pen has a very comfortable grip, making it easy to write with for extended periods. It features a smooth ink flow that doesn't skip or blot, providing a consistent writing experience. The durable metal construction ensures the pen will last a long time, resisting wear and tear. Number 3. Maydahui Diamond Ballpoint Pens. Introducing a set of 24 exquisite pens designed to add a touch of glamour to your writing. Each pen features a dazzling diamond-like top and smooth-flowing black ink. Choose from 4 stunning colors: rose red, charming blue, dreamy purple, and rose gold. With 6 pieces of each color, you'll have the perfect shade for any occasion. These pens are crafted for both style and comfort. Their ergonomic design and 0.7 mm fine point ensure a smooth and enjoyable writing experience. Looking for a unique gift? These beautiful pens make an ideal present for bridesmaids, co-workers, or anyone who appreciates a touch of elegance. From jotting down notes to creative calligraphy, these pens are perfect for all your writing tasks. Their comfortable grip and reliable ink flow make them a joy to use. Add a little sparkle to your daily routine. These pens are not just writing instruments, they are a statement of style and sophistication. What we like? This option provides an even larger quantity of 24 pens, ensuring you won't run out anytime soon. If you need pens for a party, event, or just want to stock up on stylish writing tools, this is perfect for you. It's especially great for party favors or for anyone who loves having a collection of eye-catching pens. What people say. The pen has a smooth writing experience and the ink flows consistently without skipping. The gem embellishment on the pen is beautiful and adds a touch of elegance, making it a great gift option. It features a comfortable grip that allows for extended writing sessions without fatigue. Number 2. Mr. Pen Rhinestones with Tools. Unleash your creativity with this incredible set of rhinestones. Perfect for adding a touch of glamour to any project. You'll receive a generous 2,000 pieces of clear, flat-back rhinestones. This means you have plenty to work with for all your crafting needs. Applying these gems is a breeze thanks to the included pickup tweezer and picking pen. Get precise placement every time. These rhinestones are ideal for a wide range of crafts. From nail art and jewelry making to general embellishments, they're incredibly versatile. Elevate your DIY projects with these decorative bling elements. They're perfect for adding that extra special touch to your creations. Whether you're designing custom jewelry or decorating accessories, this set provides everything you need for dazzling results. What we like. This is not a pen, but a comprehensive kit for all your crafting needs. If you're passionate about DIY projects, nail art, or adding sparkle to jewelry, this kit with 2,000 rhinestones and tools is ideal. It's perfect for crafters who want a wide variety of embellishments and the convenience of included application tools. What people say. The pen has a smooth writing experience and the ink flows consistently. The gem on the pen is a nice touch and adds a bit of sparkle. It's a comfortable pen to hold for extended writing sessions. Number 1. Hally Hair Gem Pen Kit. Introducing the Hally Hair Gem Pen Kit, the easiest way to add instant glam to any hairstyle. Just click and stick for a dazzling look. Our gems are designed to be hair safe, sticking without tugging or leaving residue. They are easy to remove with a gentle comb out, so no washing is needed. Running out of sparkle? You can swap out gem stacks in moments. Simply open the pen, insert a new stack, and you're ready to shine again. Looking for a fun and creative gift? This gem pen is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or party favors. It's perfect for ages 6 and up who love to express themselves. Hally is dedicated to creating fun and simple hair products that help you express your unique style. Add instant sparkle and color to your look. What we like. This product is designed to add instant sparkle to your hair with ease. If you're looking for a fun and temporary way to accessorize for a party, performance, or just everyday fun, this is the perfect choice. It's especially great for kids and teens who love to express themselves with colorful, sparkly styles without damaging their hair. What people say. The pen has a very comfortable grip, making it easy to write with for extended periods. Its sleek design and durable construction make it a stylish and reliable writing instrument. The ink flows smoothly and consistently, providing a flawless writing experience without skipping or smudging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.